Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find or have sent bubble emoji location in Heartopia Festival update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up the event menu and open the movie guide. And here you will see 6 emotes that you can unlock. And for the first emote, it's going to be the enjoy the movie emote. And if you want to unlock this emote, you need to find the aura of sand bubble. And you need to pop the bubble to unlock the emote. And for the location guys, it's at the Amethyst Beach. So if you want to unlock this emote, you need to go to the Amethyst Beach and you will see a bubble. Wait. Okay guys, the location is here, but I've already popped the bubble, so you can't see the bubble. But you just need to go to this location. So let me show you on the map. Okay, right here. This is the location of sand bubble emoji. Okay, then you just need to pop the bubble, then you will unlock this emote. This one. The enjoy the movie emote. And you can open your emote menu, and this is how the emote looks like. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the aura sent bubble emoji location in Heartopia Festival update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.